Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if you think it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.